Hello everyone. A few, I think weeks back, I started giving you a breathing exercise where we are to bring our breathing cycle per minute to 10 or 6, right? So many of you probably have tried, may not have tried, but some of the feedbacks that I got, okay? So I'm going to tell you one prominent issue that I realized there is, because I was going with the idea that probably people are not able to see, they're not observant enough, they are not acknowledging that their surroundings, that there are certain factors in the surroundings that are duping them. Okay, there are people, there are habits, there are patterns, they are not able to notice, which is why even though they want to go to a particular place, isn't mentally, emotionally, or financially or physically, they want to reach a particular goal, they are not able to. So one of the biggest this probably has been a biggest myth of mine, because it got broken like anything, right? That I realized that people are actually aware, some of you are actually aware that this person is not right for me, this pattern is not working for me, and whatever I'm doing, I'm not putting my best foot forward, probably, right? So these small things people are actually aware of, but they are not able to tap out of it, because what I sense is that they don't have a healthier alternative. So even though you are bringing your breath down to 10 or 6, you're realizing it. Okay, yes, this person is lying to me, or this is the interviewer who is trying to selling me wrong things. Probably this is not the place I should be availing a job. This is not the service I should be giving. This is not the client I want to entertain. This is not the emotional blackmail that I can uh, you know um, entertain anymore. Okay, but there is no healthy alternative. So what happens, the nervous system is looking for an alternative, a different way of approaching thing, and then when it is not able to find anything, it is going back to just breathing cycle of being in survival. So acknowledging your struggle, okay, I'm going to give you a simple tip. See, if you want to go somewhere in your life, let's say the place where you are in is not working for you, you are realizing it, you are quite aware of it, but you want to go somewhere, you have to understand, in a particular system you have to identify where your maximum energy is getting leaked. Like, let's say if you are someone who is mentally sharp, okay, if you are someone who is mentally sharp, what will happen, you will have a lot of mental distractions. Okay, so if you are someone who's powerful in a throat way, so there will be a lot of people in your environment who will try to shut you down. So wherever your biggest power is, that's where the biggest distraction will be. ये मेरे तरफ से एक मैंने आपको insight दी है, ठीक है? Just be aware. So wherever you are feeling the most resistance, most pain, most heaviness, that's exactly where your power is. First realize that's your power, because in our culture, not only in our culture, but in the time and space we are living in, we are trying very hard from the starting of our life, that we don't allow the child to recognize their power, because you want to condition them into something, right? Either we want them to become engineers, doctors, or the future citizens of of the nation, whatever. So we are not acknowledging the true power, because we are trying to mold them to a particular future or destination, something that we are also doing to ourselves as well. Okay, so we are losing our sight on who we are and where our true powers are, because if you are able to tap into your own natural, inherent, and unique power, you will always be peaking in your life, right? So again, coming back again to the same point, wherever there is maximum distraction, that's exactly where your power is. Now, you probably don't know how to cut those distractions. So I'm going to give you a tip here. Again, when you are alone, come back to your breathing, bring it to 6, 10 or 6, doesn't matter. When you are doing when you are doing your, you're bringing your breath down to 6 or 10, you are actually accessing a specific area of your nervous system, okay, where you can now start to reprogram it. Okay, that's a, I cannot call it a silent space, but yes, it's more stable ground where you can sow some seeds and it can work for you. Okay, so in hypnotherapy, what we do self hypnosis. Okay, we do self hypnosis, induce hypnosis on ourselves, and try to activate or plant seeds of growth. Let's say, let's say you are someone who is finding it really very hard to cut a friend out of your life because this friend is someone who is giving you something. Okay, there is some relational gain you are getting, but not the exact gain you are supposed to get, and that person is also mooching off you, no issues. But in order to cut that particular relationship, you want something, right? So what is that you want? A better opportunity, probably. Okay, strength to say no, maybe peace, or whatever it is. You have to be very very honest with yourself. What do you require? Because unless and until you cut that particular friend out, cut that habit, cut that pattern out, what will happen? You will never move forward, and then it is a dull dull. Okay, and whatever um, choice you are going to make in that headspace, right? Why I'm not asking you to do it in the 12 or 13 or 21 breathing cycles that you are having and then you put the affirmation. Because when you are working and operating from a state of survival or a desperation, what happens? You're going to recreate that particular problem. ठीक है. So what we do always, जब भी आपको कोई चीज़ बदलनी हो, bring yourself back to stability. And that is a exercise that we do where we bring we will help our clients to tap into their stable center. Remember your IG. What is IG? Your center of gravity in your body. Okay, so physics students know the center of gravity of your body is where you are holding your stable center. A lot of us are, living in the world not feeling stable enough. So if you can tap into your IG, your center of gravity, that is almost around your navel area, tap into that energy. Bring your breathing cycles down to 10 or 6. Now take the affirmation that help, ask your body and your energy. You need not ask me or someone elder to you or whatever. Just ask it from your energy system because your energy is in itself complete. Okay? So tap into that area. Relax and say, help me tap into my center of peace. Allow me to operate from peace or contentment, inner strength, passion, whatever it is. Okay? And if you feel that this particular exercise has been helpful to you, please like, share, and comment and let me know, okay, how it worked for you. Thanks a lot for being with me. Bye.